Today we're unboxing the BedJet cloud sheet, which we've got right here, and show you kind of how this thing operates. So this is designed to work with the BedJet system. Now this one is a king size sheet. So let's open it up, see what we've got here. You've got it all packaged nicely here. And the cloud sheet, what it's designed to do, it's got air channels in it here so that you will be able to regulate the temperature if you've got a BedJet system. So let's open this up and see kind of what we've got going on here and how this would work and if it is going to work with that BedJet system. So you can have a single zone or a dual zone. This one is the dual zone, and we want to make sure that everything is going to work. And let's just try and find where these air channels are that this thing would hook up to. So it is a nice cotton sheet. You can tell that when you are unboxing it here. It's got a really nice texture, so it is a fitted sheet that is going to go on to the bed. And then let's see if we can't find where these air channels are. Okay, so looks like maybe we've got one here. This is where those air channels are. And so the sheet has channels inside of it that you're going to put that BedJet in, and then you've got these snaps right here, which are going to allow you to snap the little air vent in there. So this would go under your typical, this would go right on your mattress with the BedJet system. And then you put the vent inside here. So that's how it works. The sheet is like hollow, and then that air is going to circulate around you to cool you off or heat you up. So that is how this works. This is a single jet unit or single zone unit, but you can have two zones or just one zone. So this one's one zone, but if you wanted to have two units, you have then two separate areas. So if one person likes to sleep hot or another person likes to sleep cold, or you just prefer different temperatures, you can absolutely do that. So this is satin, 100% cotton, and then percal, 100% cotton as well. So there's a top layer and a bottom layer. The top layer is satin and the bottom layer is percal, which would be the percal is going to be down, and the top layer satin is going to be the sheet that you would be sleeping on. So hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the BedJet cloud sheet. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.